For a quarter century, the internet ran on a simple transaction. You typed fragmented keywords into a search bar, and Google handed you 10 blue links. That model is being replaced by a system where the search bar acts on your behalf. Instead of acting as a static directory pointing you to other websites, the search engine is becoming an active agent. It reads the web, digests the information, and delivers a completed answer directly on the results page. This creates a new set of requirements for website owners. Survival no longer depends on optimizing for keywords to climb a list. It requires building content that an AI agent recognizes as a primary citation. Google is overhauling its most profitable product because they're scrambling to protect their market share from faster, more aggressive rivals. This chart tracks paid AI business subscriptions in the US as of April 2026. Anthropic captured 34.4% of the market, while OpenAI secured 32.3%. By comparison, Google holds just 4.5%. They are trailing in a market they helped pioneer. To counter this, Google is deploying autonomous features to compete with threats like OpenClaw, an AI agent that can run computer programs and commands without constant human prompting. In their rush to protect their own dominance, Google has altered the flow of traffic. The clicks that once went to independent websites are now being retained by the search engine itself. The engine driving this change is Gemini 3.5 Flash, which alters the way users interact with the web. The search bar now accommodates much longer natural language requests. Users can now type or dictate entire conversational paragraphs loaded with specific context, rather than using robotic keywords. The system is multimodal. You can drag and drop massive PDFs, complex visual datasets, or screenshots of software error codes directly into the prompt for analysis. Because inputs are now this specific, users expect a synthesized solution in return. A list of external links is no longer the primary service users are looking for. This shift from momentary lookups to continuous utility is centered on Google's new agent node, known as Spark. Spark operates in the background of a user's devices. You can instruct it to monitor local apartment listings or track specific apparel releases over several months, and it will only alert you when it finds a match. In response to certain requests, Google will even generate custom mini-apps. It can instantly build a localized fitness tracker that pulls in your real-time location and weather data, creating a temporary tool to serve a single query. The relationship between a user and a search bar has changed. Search is now transitioning from a momentary lookup into a continuous, automated process used to manage digital tasks. If you look at the new search engine results page, traditional links still exist, but they have been pushed down the screen, mostly below the fold. This maps the new search page layout. Standard links are forced down as a massive AI block expands to fill the top real estate. Securing a direct citation inside that block is now a priority for anyone relying on search traffic. Generic informational pages and thin affiliate reviews are at high risk. The AI can summarize that information on its own, which eliminates the need to send a user to an external site. Sites that offer interactive tools, unique calculators, and highly structured data are better positioned to retain traffic. These are utilities that an AI model cannot instantly replicate. Survival depends on building complex, structured content that AI models are forced to rely on as primary source data. Adapting to this environment requires an immediate overhaul of your website's content architecture. The first step is moving away from traditional keyword stuffing. Rewrite your headings and FAQs to directly answer natural conversational questions. The AI needs clear facts to pull into its summaries. To support this transition, Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai has allocated between $180 and $190 billion this year for AI infrastructure and specialized chips. Inside Google DeepMind, developers are shipping new AI product updates nearly every single day. They are operating with the assumption that their current products will be obsolete if they don't move quickly. If a company with a near-total monopoly on search is forcing itself to adapt on a daily basis, independent creators must adopt the same aggressive mindset to stay visible.